Hi, today I'm sharing how to make a holiday mashed potato. Now, I like to make these in little ramekins so that they can actually be served at a dinner party. So I'm starting with a bag of petite red potatoes, and in this case, one russet potato. And the russet potatoes are important because it gives a more balanced flavor. Red potatoes can sometimes be waxy when you add dairy products to them. So we're going to go ahead and boil our potatoes. With the red potatoes, you can keep the skin on. For the russet, I peeled it and quartered it and boiled it separately. While the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to take a half a cup of softened butter. It can be salted butter. 1 cup of sour cream, and I'm going to add that to a bowl. I grow my chives, so I have cut a handful so that I could bring them in. So it's probably about a quarter cup of chives for this recipe. And I'm washing them, and then I'm going to chop them fine so that they're very fine. And I'm going to get those prepared for the mashed potato dish. Okay. So I've added the butter, the sour cream, the chives, and then we're going to go ahead and drain the potatoes. I left the skin on for the red potatoes because it gives a little color. My seasonings are a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of parsley, dried parsley, as well as a tablespoon of salt. Now I've combined the potatoes and I smashed them a little bit before transferring them to all of the sour cream, butter, and chive mixture. At this point, you want to add the russet potatoes to this whole thing. So I've taken the russet potatoes and the red potatoes and I'm blending them, blending all the ingredients until they're well mixed. Next, I'm adding about a quarter cup of whole milk, again, just to make the mashed potatoes creamy. Now at this point, I'm transferring all of these mashed potatoes into ramekins. And I've scooped the potatoes into ramekins. There's some people that would eat this at this point, and certainly you can do that. What I've elected to do is to also just toast the potatoes. So I put them in my broiler for about 2 minutes or until they're lightly toasted at the top. No, just my preference. You don't have to do this step, but I do like it. And then you can serve this as a side dish for steak or chicken or even fish, whatever protein that you decided to serve. This makes a great side dish. I think this side is great for holiday meals. We have New Year's Eve coming up. It's simple. You can make it ahead and then just toast it at the end. And that is my holiday mashed potatoes.